Arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to preceding term, except the first term. What is preceding term? Preceding term means here 2 preceding term is 1, 3 preceding term is 2, 4 preceding term is 1. Here arithmetic progression example. Here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 so on. Each term is 1 is more than the term preceding it. That means here 1 plus 1 2. Here we are adding 2 preceding number plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 2, and again 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, next example 100 comma 70 comma 40 comma 10 so on. Each term is 30 less than the term preceding it. That means 100 minus 30 70, 70 minus 30 40, 40 minus 30 10, like that. Now what is common difference? The fixed number is called the common difference of the AP, arithmetic progression. That means here 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Here common difference is 1, and here in this example 100 minus 30 70, 70 minus 30 40, 40 minus 30 10. In this sequence 30 is the common difference. Now let us denote the first term of an AP by A1, second term by A2, and the nth term by A1, and the common difference denoted by D, and the common difference denoted by D. Here A2 minus A1, that means second term minus first term, is equal to third term minus second term is equal to so on. Nth term minus n minus 1th term is equal to D. Now A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D so on. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D so on. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference. This sequence is called the general form of arithmetic progression. Now, infinite arithmetic progression. In an AP, there are infinite number of terms. Such an AP is called a infinite arithmetic progression. That means in this sequence there is no end term. That means there is no last term. Each of arithmetic progression do not have last term. Each of arithmetic progression do not have last term. For example, 3 comma 7 comma 11 comma so on. 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma 10 comma so on. Minus 10, minus 15, minus 20 so on. In these sequence there is no last term. That's why this is infinite arithmetic progression. Now, finite arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, there only a finite number of terms. Such an AP is called finite arithmetic progression. That means in this sequence, last term is there. Each of these arithmetic progressions has a last term. For example, the height of some students of a school standing in a queue in the morning assembly are 147, 148, 149 so on 157. Here 157 is the last term. That's why this is a finite arithmetic progression. One more example, the total savings after every month for 10 months when rupees 50 are saved each month are 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 comma 300 comma 350 comma 400 450 comma 500. Here 500 is the last term. Then this sequence is arithmetic progression, finite arithmetic progression.